Enough! You've been behaving far too nervously tonight.
Can you blame me? We got ambushed earlier!
Do not worry. They won't be bothering us again.
Huh?
The Orthros have learned a painful lesson this day. Now, is my meal ready yet?
This is a serious issue here, okay? We're still dead in the middle of their territory. You set up the barrier right, didn't you?
Master, Suey is very hungry too.
Is that so? Why don't we hurry up and eat then?
You know, you treat Sui much differently than you treat me.